Making your bed every single morning keeps your room clean, tidy, and makes you feel so responsible.
I am your broom. Use me to sweep and keep your home clean, because it is a very responsible, good habit.
Eating a healthy, colorful breakfast every morning gives our body all the energy it needs for the day. Holding the door open for others is a very kind and respectful habit that shows everyone you really care.
I am your water tap. Always turn me off tightly after use, because saving water helps our whole beautiful planet. Using kind words even when upset or angry is a wonderful habit that keeps all your friendships very strong.
You're right! Kind words make everything better.
Exactly! We're the best friends!
Sit up straight with good posture every day to keep your back healthy and help you focus much better.
Helping your parents and elders with chores at home is a wonderful habit that shows your big and loving heart. Limiting screen time and going outside to play is a very healthy habit that helps your eyes and brain.
Always cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze to stop spreading germs to all your friends and family.
Thank you, teacher!
You're very welcome, dear.
Always say thank you when someone helps you, because it shows your grateful and very kind heart. I am a green plant. Water me and take good care of me every day to help keep our beautiful earth healthy.
Chewing food with your mouth closed and not talking while eating are both very important table manners.
We are your recycling bins. Sort paper, plastic, and cans into us every day to help protect our beautiful green earth. Always stand in line and wait your turn patiently, because taking turns is such a very important good habit. Put the phone down and talk to your family and friends in person, because real conversations make you truly happy. Keeping your books and study space tidy every day helps you focus better and find things when you need them.
Good habits make us healthy, kind, responsible, and so very happy every single day of our amazing, wonderful lives.
Always hold your parents' hand tightly in busy places so you stay completely safe and never get lost. I am your milk. Drink me every morning because I make your bones and teeth grow very big and strong. A brand new day is starting, friends. Let us follow along and learn all the best good habits today. Washing your face with soap and clean water every morning keeps your skin so fresh and healthy.
Sharing with your friends is a very kind habit that makes everyone around you feel so loved and happy.
Here, this is for you. Thank you. I am your journal. Write in me every day to express your feelings and remember all your wonderful happy memories.
Comforting a friend who feels sad shows what a truly caring and wonderful and kind person you really are.
Sorry for the mistake. I hope we can still be friends.
Of course, we're best friends.
Always say sorry when you make a mistake, because saying sorry shows you are kind, honest, and caring.
We learned so many great habits today. Brushing teeth, washing hands, being kind, eating healthy, and sleeping early.
Playing outside and exercising every day keeps your body strong, healthy, and makes you feel absolutely great.
I am your light switch. Turn me off when you leave a room to save electricity and help our wonderful planet. Please,
Always say please when you want something because using please is such a polite and wonderful good habit.
Taking a quiet, thankful moment to reflect on your day before bed is a truly beautiful and peaceful habit. Drink lots of clean water every single day because your whole body needs water to work properly always.
Look at all these amazing good habits we learned together today, friends. You are all doing such a wonderful job. I am your toy box. Put all your toys inside me after playing to keep your room clean and tidy always. Always throw trash in the bin and never litter because keeping our beautiful environment clean is very important. Helping your friends when they need you is a beautiful habit that makes everyone around you feel so happy. I am clean water. Wash your hands with soap and me for 20 seconds to get rid of every single germ. We are your vegetables. Eat us every day, and we will keep your whole body healthy, strong, and full of energy.
Always raise your hand and wait your turn before speaking in class because it is a very good habit.
I am your homework notebook. Do me right after school every day to keep learning and always stay on track. I am your helmet. Always wear me when riding a bicycle because I protect your head and keep you very safe. I am your cozy bed. Come to sleep on time every night so your body can rest and grow full of energy. Goodbye, friends. Practice all your good habits every single day and see you next time at Kitty School Fun. I am your toothbrush. Use me every morning and night and I will keep your teeth sparkling clean always. Please subscribe and click the bell so you never ever miss our next amazing and super fun learning adventure. Brushing your teeth every morning keeps them shiny white, healthy, and completely free from all cavities. I am your book. Read me every single day because I will make your brain grow so much smarter and stronger. Packing your school bag the night before helps you stay organized and never forget anything important.
Listen carefully when someone is talking to you without interrupting, because good listening shows real respect.
I am your alarm clock. I wake you up early every morning so you have a long and wonderful happy day. I am your water bottle. Drink me every day because your amazing body is made of lots and lots of water. I am your seatbelt. Always buckle me up in the car because I keep you completely safe on every car ride. I am your tidy bed. Make me every morning and I will make your whole room feel clean and organized always.
Getting enough sleep every single night is the most important habit for growing up healthy, strong, and happy.
I am your school bag. Pack me the night before and I will make sure you never forget anything at all. Hi there, friends. Welcome to Kitty School Fun. Today we learn all about wonderful good habits together. I am your pencil. Practice writing with me every day and I will help your brain learn new things so much faster. I am your sunscreen. Apply me every time you go outside so I protect your skin from the hot, bright sun. Okay, sunscreen, I'm ready to play in the sun. I am your soap. Wash your face and hands with me every day to keep all the germs completely away. I am your piggy bank. Put coins inside me every day and I will teach you to be patient and responsible. Always wash your hands with soap before eating and after playing to wash away all the germs.
Taking deep breaths when you feel upset or stressed is a wonderful habit that calms your mind and body. Waiting for everyone to sit before eating dinner together shows such wonderful respect and very good manners.
Waking up early every single morning gives us a long, wonderful, and very happy day ahead.
I am your heart! Exercise and play outside every single day to keep me very strong and healthy for you!
Good habits help us stay healthy, happy, and kind every single day. Let us learn them all together now. Greeting friends with a warm smile and kind handshake every day is such a wonderful and very friendly habit.
Cleaning up after yourself after every meal is a very responsible habit that helps your whole entire family.
Folding and putting away your clean clothes neatly every single day is a great habit that keeps your room tidy. Greeting teachers and elders with respect every day shows your wonderful manners and your kind, warm heart. I am your bathtub. Bathe in me every single day to keep your body fresh, clean, and sleep comfortably at night.